and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am back with another video. Today's video is obviously going to be another wig review, but before we get into that, honey, I want to say if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. Also, if you like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, then hit that like button. Now, let's get into this video. So, this unit was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The wig that I am rocking, honey, you guys know I have rocked this color, I swear, all fall. Okay, this has been my fall color. Okay, and yes, we are still in fall. This is why my pumpkins is still back there, honey. I don't take none of my stuff down until Thanksgiving. Okay, so judge me not. Okay, so this unit is 24 inches long. It's a 13x4 lace frontal highlight colored wig. And I'm going to go ahead and go on their site to find more details about it. So they have on there, Unice Hair 13x4 fall color loose wave lace front wig, 180% density human hair wig, pre-plucked lace front human hair wig, child. They say human hair wig one more again. Now, as far as I'm concerned, this unit is a big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so I did not have to adjust the strap. I had to adjust the straps. So when I say, when I have to adjust the straps on the unit, then I deem it to be big head friendly. But I am an average cap size, so honey, do with that what you want to do with it, girl. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, old girl is not doing any of that straight out of the packaging. Now, you know what I like to say. That ain't to say old girl won't at some point. That's just to say straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things. Okay, so keep that in mind, sis. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, with your standard adjustable straps. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, it did come pre-tweezed. I personally feel like you can tweeze it a little more if you want to, especially if you want to go for that non-baby hair look. I think it could use some more tweezing, but child, she ain't that person. So I think it's fine straight out of the packaging in my opinion, because I already knew that I was going to do baby hairs, but you know, it just depends on the person. So anyways, that is pretty much it as far as the details and stuff about this unit. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch me apply and style the unit, and then we can get into my pros and cons.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it with only one time. If you lie with me, just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So now let's get into these pros and cons. You guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a positive note, okay? So my main con with this unit would be the brown lace. This is definitely a brown lace wig. Every unit that I have gotten in this color has been brown lace. Like, somebody send me a transparent lace now, okay? Somebody send me a transparent or HD lace. Honestly, that is definitely more so a me problem than anything, because the brown lace just doesn't blend in nicely on my complexion. If you may not be able to really see how it's not blending in on camera because of the lights and stuff, but it doesn't blend in like transparent lace does. So it's a me problem. So if you're, you know, a shade darker than me, then you should be fine. If you are a shade lighter, honey, you are not fine. Okay, you would if that is an issue for you with that showing, then it may be an issue. So yeah. And one other con that I have with this unit, and what I've had with units from like all of these loose wave units, is that they come out of the packaging very, very curly. And I feel like that can be a little deceptive, especially like once you wash it and it's like, oh my God. Despite the fact that they have on there loose wave, and once you wash it, it does give a loose wave look. When you take it out of the packaging, you think that it'll stay as curly as it is, and it will not. So that is another con for me. Just, you know, just because you will think, when you get it, if you're not really paying attention to the fact that it's supposed to be loose wave, you will think that it's gonna stay as curly when you wash it, and it's not. It's a loose wave wig, so it's gonna go to its texture. So yeah, that's a con for me as well. Now, honey, my pros is endless, okay? Because, honey, as many times as you've seen this color on me, you know this color is my color, honey, okay? This is my color. This color was made for your girl, okay? I love this color. I think that this color is absolutely freaking gorgeous, okay? I think it is gorgeous year round. I think it's a color that you can wear any season. Like, I love this color, but I especially love this color in the fall because, honey, I feel like it looks like the leaves. You know what I mean? So yeah, I love everything about this color. I love the way that the unit fit. It was very, like, I hate when a unit is too small. So I love the fit of the wig as well. I'm not mad at the hairline. You know, the hairline may be an issue for some people, but to me, I'm not mad at the hairline whatsoever. I like the hairline. I love the parting space. I love the curls. I think that this unit is gorgeous. That is just my opinion. Like, yeah, she's a look. So obviously, I would recommend the wig, okay? If I have just ranted and raved about the unit being gorgeous, obviously I would recommend it. I think that this unit is just a really, really nice wig. Like I said, my main con, and it just depends on the person, is the fact that the lace is darker, but it depends on the person. What doesn't blend in for me is gonna blend in beautifully for somebody else. You know what I mean? So that is really my only con. Like, I think that the wig is really, really nice. I have no issues with it whatsoever, and I love I love the color, y'all. Okay, I just love the color. The color is bae. Okay, so shout out to you, Unice, for this unit. And yeah, we can go ahead and get into this full 360 and lint check and wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am definitely feeling this unit. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, or you just want to comment down below and show your girl some love, comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah.